How to back up your Google Messages. Well, it's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get into the video. First thing first, what you want to do is head over to the settings of your device. Once you're inside settings, scroll all the way down until you see the option where it says Accounts and Backup. Once you find it, head over to it. Right here you can see Google Drive. Below that, click on Backup Data. Now scroll down and you can see the backup details. The backup also includes SMS and MMS messages of Google. It doesn't only back up your messages, but it also includes photos and videos, call history, and many more. Once you're ready to back up all of this, at the very top, simply click on Backup Now. It will start to back up on your device. Wait for a while for it to complete. Once the process has been completed, your messages will be backed up successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can back up your Google Messages. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.